Hi friends, this video shows how to enable or disable USB debugging mode. Go to settings, select all settings from top right corner, go to system, go to about, under about go down, select Android TV OS build. Here we need to press OK button on the remote 7 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See the message, you are now a developer. Go back. See, now under system we can find new option called developer options. Select it. These are a list of developer options. From this list let me find USB debugging. See, let me enable. Done. So this way we can enable USB debugging mode. Later if you want to disable, you can disable here. Done. So this way we can enable or disable USB debugging. Go to top. If you want, you can enable developer options as well. Let me disable. Done. Then go back. Now under system it's not showing developer options because I have disabled. This way we can enable or disable USB debugging mode and developer options. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.